Welcome to your BA journey with Real-World Business Analysis Trainer. Thank you for joining us in this training program. Your engagement drives success. All you need to do is to like and subscribe to unlock the complete training experience. Why business analysis matters in today's world. In a fast-moving, competitive marketplace, clear insights drive better decisions. Business analysis bridges the gap between business needs and technology solutions, ensuring efficiency, innovation, and value delivery. What opportunity is available in this training? 1. Core business analysis skills will empower professionals to identify problems, recommend improvements, and translate ideas into actionable solutions options. 2. This training program is free and it will equip you with practical techniques, proven frameworks, and real-world exercises to confidently tackle business challenges and deliver measurable impact. Overview of this core training structure. 1. Role of a business analyst, which includes defining responsibilities, delivering value, and bridging the gap between business needs and technical solutions. 2. Stakeholders and needs, identifying stakeholders, gathering, and analyzing their requirements. 3. Project involvement, understanding business analyst engagement throughout project phases. 4. Business analyst artifacts, creating and managing documentation such as requirement specifications, use cases, and process diagrams. 5. Business analyst process models and techniques, applying structured methods for analysis and communication. 6. Business analyst business process mapping, visualizing workflows to improve efficiency. 7. Role of a business analyst in a project life cycle, navigating through initiation, planning, execution, and closure. 8. Onboarding business analyst in new organizations, adapting quickly to culture, processes, and tools. 9. Project team expectations from a business analyst, collaborating effectively to deliver shared goals. Practical insights in action. Each training module connects directly to challenges faced by business analysts in the field, and topics will be mapped to the following realistic scenarios. 1. Requirements elicitation linked to stakeholder communication hurdles. 2. Process modeling tied to inefficiencies in workflow mapping. 3. Data analysis connected to gaps in performance measurement. 4. Solution evaluation aligned with change adoption resistance. And by using real industry practices, participants will see the following immediate applicability. 1. Agile methods reinforcing iteration speed and adaptability. 2. Risk analysis for anticipating project pitfalls. 3. Documentation standards ensuring clarity across teams. 4. Continuous improvement frameworks promoting measurable impact. Your training commitment will pay off. When you dedicate yourself to the full program, you will gain the clarity, skills, and confidence to excel in business analysis. Each session will build on the last, giving you actionable strategies you can apply immediately. Like and subscribe now to ensure you never miss a lesson. And get ready to dive into our first detailed training video packed with insights that move you forward. Thank you, and see you in the first training module, titled, The Role of a Business Analyst in a Project Setting. Bye for now, and see you in the next session.